athletes, please be inside. Okay, guys. Siguro, get closer lang dito kunti. Abante lang kunti dito. Okay. Okay. Guys, yung lang dito, yung doon, i-occupy nyo lang. Hatiin nyo kayo dito. I-occupy nyo doon kasi masyado maluwag doon eh. Kayo. Yun. Sige na. Sige, follow. Ano pa? Oo. Dito yung iba. Sige. Sige, dito yung iba. Dito. Team Philippines pa na? Okay. Guys, Team Philippines pa na, sorry. Doon. For the Team Philippines, okay? And, what country you're? Sri Lanka, Cameroon, come here. Come here. Team Philippines, a little bit, post it backward, please. Okay? Team Philippines, get. Okay? Guys, please put our two lovely baby. Yeah. Okay, photo. Say hi to them because
okay guys, let's give it up for all our athletes. Come on. Woo. Okay. So this is what we're gonna happen. We're going to have athletes parade, but they will be represented by their respective countries' representative from WFF. So that the athletes can already prepare backstage, and we'll be starting in a few minutes. So cheer for your countrymen and for your bets. and we're going to give you a very nice presentation. Okay? So we'll just sit back and relax. We'll be starting in a few minutes. Okay? Yeah.
Thank you, gentlemen. You will go back to the stage. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, athletes.